How you are? Good. Girls speaking in the class in the phone, that too having Bluetooth. Actually, I thought that girls are so sincere. That is my opinion. But you people are talking like boys keeping Bluetooth, having one ornament, started speaking. It's not good, ma. Please read the notes. If the boy is on the road now, I'll directly fire. But girls now, so always they are in my soft corner. Always, I don't know why. So let it be. More to that. Girls means sincere. Sincerity marper girls. Alternative to sincerity is girls only. And that sincere girls are speaking in phone means what? Sincerity totally out of order. So what to do, girls? Think ma. Now I'll move to the further. So go to the place here. Today I'm talking about another concept, NUMPY, append function. Next I will talk about insert function. Next I'll talk about what? Delete function. Delete function. So this is what I'm going to talk. Okay. So append, delete, and then now next insert. This is what I want to play. So what is the meaning of append according to our concept of our list? Are you new student? Are you new student? Hold only now. Append means what? Adding a value at the end of what? List. Is called what? Append. What do you mean by appending? Always adding at the end only. It is known as what? Append. What do you mean by insert? Inserting a value at the particular index is called what? Insert. What do you mean by delete? Removing the value from the list by value, by index. You have a lot of mechanism for it. Okay. So now I'm going to apply this on 1D, how to do it, on 2D, how to do it. We are going to deal with the data. And let us go to the append and all those things, how it works. We are going to. Simple students, before going to that, let me show you for 1 minute. If any other batch students, those who are getting any confused about it, list is this data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is my data here. Print of LST here. Now I want to append a value called 60. I want to add the element 60 at the end of it. Add the value called 60 at the end of it. LST dot append of 60. Append of 60. So it is going to be adding at the 60. Are you following me, students? Right. So here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Next, one more type of value. LST dot append of append of. I can add one more value, something like 12, also appended at the last only. Now I want to insert an element in the middle. Middle. 30th place I want to add. The value called 25 I want to add. Or some 20.5 I want to add. What is that now? 0, 1, 2. How do you write it? LST dot insert of 2 comma 2 comma some 20.5. 20.5. 2 comma 20.5. 2 comma 20.5. So in the second index, this value already 30 is there. In the 30th place, this 20.5. This 30 will move to forward direction and then this value will be inserted. Into this LST 20.5 is inserted. The element which is already there moving in forward direction. This is about insert. Now students, I can also remove this data by using what? Multiple functions are there. How many ways are there to remove the data from list? Multiple ways are there by using remove of value, of value, pop of index, sorry, and pop of empty bracket, and a del of operator, del with index, del with slicing. So many number of things I said. So LST dot remove of the value called 10 A value called 30 removed. Into that LST 30 removed. LST dot what pop of what I will say 60 I want to remove 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say -1 and -2 also I can say. It is removed based on index. This is the one. I want to remove 20 and 20.5. I'll say del of LST of 1 colon 2, 1 colon 3. 1 colon 3 means two values will be removed. That is nothing but these two values gone. Like that, one can perform the operations on it. And today I'm going to talk about what? How to append the data, insert the data, delete the data, which is one of the important. Let us move to the case called what? Jupyter Notebook. Now I'm going to insert here. So coming to this place, here I'm going to write it something like this. Go to the place. Now I'm going to take up, create an ND array. Here I'm going to write it. NumPy related, appending, deleting, inserting. First we'll talk about what? Append. So try to follow me, students. Appending, appending the data to the ND array object. ND array object by using append of append of a is equal to np dot array of np.array of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this is my data, students. And the print of a, getting it. This is my data. And import the NumPy here, students. Import NumPy as NP here and try to run this. So you got the content here. Now I want, so far we used to create it, students. So far we used to create it. And I want to go for, and we used to do the operation indexing, slicing, different things we learned so far. And we want to add some content to it. We want to add some content to it. How to do that? Now I'm going to take up that. This is the data. Now I want to append it. Append it. So I'm going to append it. So here I'm going to write it content of A before appending. Content of A before appending. Before appending. So I'm going to take up A dot, np dot append of A comma A comma np dot append of A comma. There I will write it. A dot append is no. NP dot append of A comma value called what? 70. So 70 is added to what? A. The result is shown directly. And if you execute that, 70 is available here. Are you seeing this? This is earlier, this is the data. Now this is the 70 we got it. And try to print the data. Here you try to follow content of A, content of A after appending, content of A after appending. I'm going to print it. But the data still available 60 only. Now I want to keep this data in the left side variable. Are you following me now? np dot append. Append function will add the element to the 70 to A and keep that resultant in where? A itself. Then you execute. Now that element called what? 70. Getting my point? Yes. Add one more element. Add one more element to that. I will append one more element, students. I'm adding one more element here. That is called what 80. I'm going to add 80. So I'm going to say 80 because I'm appending and I'm keeping the result in where itself A. So append function will add the element 80 to A and returns the modified value in A itself. That is the data getting. How many values I'm adding at a time? One value I'm adding. So appending more than one value. Appending more than one value, students. More than one value I am appending. What do you do, mom? A is equal to same np dot append A np dot append np dot append of A comma more than one value. If you want to append it, I must take this data like this I must write 15, comma 25, comma 35. I need to write it. 35. I need to write it. Are you following me? Just something like in our list is called what ma? Inner list. Inner list. If I go to my Python, always Python comparison. This is my LST. LST dot append off. I'm taking 1 comma 2 comma 3. It is taken as an inner list here. It is taken as an inner list here. Print LST here. Print LST here. This is an LST is called what? Inner list. So come to back students in the same manner here. If we come back to this area, it is not going to be added as inner list here. It is not going to be an inner ND array or something. It is simply going to be adding these elements at the end of it more than one value. More than one value which is added. Are you following me? Isn't it ND array only? But if I print the elements of A once again, you will get old values only. But to make it permanent change, what I should do, like this, I need to do it. I hope you are following me. More than one value added. So go for one more example. Already A contains this one, 1525. Now I'm going to write it, what you know, something like 100, comma 200, comma 300 I'm writing, comma 400 I'm writing, 400 I'm writing. So there I'm going to write it. Are you following me? Like this, I got it. Clear up? Yes. Now I want to, this is called adding the data, one value appending, more than one value appending. You understood this. Easy? One, speaking is important. If you don't speak, you will speak international English. Yesterday happened in my class, even morning people I shared that. Yesterday in my 6 p.m., because I will tell in all my batches. I'm telling the program called what? Natural number sum. Even I said squares, cubes, natural number sum. That student is like a statue only. Because by seeing the statues, I'll get sometimes very sympathy as well as sometimes angry. Depends on the mood. Right? So I want to just make him something good. I just make him stand up. So he stand up. What is the program I taught? Program I taught natural number sum, squares, cubes, natural number sum. He's saying what you know, not speaking beginning. Will you speak or you will come and sit on the dais? On the dais you need to sit. Like marriages, they will sit on the dais and everybody will watch it like that. You will watch it like this. So he said, no, sir, I will not. Tell me what is the code I said. He's saying what you know? National numbers, he's saying national. National numbers, so international numbers, so district numbers will not be there. Total, if you don't speak, you if you speak in the beginning when you go to interview, you'll speak international English only. Don't become international, you become a student only. Okay now? So try to speak something good. And that is one day incident. And 2 years back, I think so, one more student is also good. You people are all good only. But good means you are not a showcase piece, right or not? Showcase pieces are always good only. Apple is there. Showcase some apple is there, doll. But will you eat? Good is okay. That is your personal. But career related good must be there. None. You must speak in the class. There is only a single weapon to become a perfect. So that guy, 2 years back, 2 years or 2.5 years exactly. That time I took it especially MongoDB. I was explaining with normalization policy. I'm explaining how to build the database. Generally, nobody will explain MongoDB, any Oracle normalization. They don't explain performance issues, how to fix it, and all those things. I was explaining. He is also not reacting, simply sitting like a statue only. So I asked a question: what database I'm explaining? What database I'm explaining? He's saying MongoDB, Mango, international only. Mango, Mango or Apple, Mango. ఎందుకు వాళ్ళంతా ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు? What they will do, students? Think about it. Then after that, everybody laughed in the class. He's looking, why you are laughing? What wrong with me? Like that, he's looking at. So another student is there, his friend, degree friends ఇద్దరు. I called that guy. What is the database I'm talking? He's talking, he's saying correct word Mongo only. DB is calling it as a BD. Mongo BD. వీళ్ళంతా ఏం చేస్తారు అసలు? దే ఆర్ ఆల్ కాల్డ్ హెవీ వెయిట్ టు ద ఎర్త్. భూమికి బరువు వాళ్ళంతా. సో లైక్ దట్, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ స్పీక్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. You will be getting it. So please try to speak in the class. That's my only sincere request to everybody. Go to the place. When I'm explaining everything systematically, you must interact with me, that kind of stuff. So let us start entering into the 2D related thing I'm going to enter. 2D. So coming to the point of it, I'm entering into appending then one value, more than one value we got it. So I want to take it, appending the data to 2D. So take the data here. I'm going to take it. Content of A, I'm going to take up here. Take the data. Here I'm going to np dot array of, this is my values I'm having. Here I'm taking 70 comma 80 comma 90. I'm taking 70 comma 80, or take 60 only. So I want to take of what I'm taking now, students. Reshape of something like 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, or 2 comma 3. మీకు ఏం కావాలంటది. Then this is the content of it. We got it. And this is the data we got it. Now I want to go for what? Appending one row. Appending one row. Row and column means what is the concept is used for that? Very good. Axis. మంచి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పారే. Good. Appreciating. Axis. Spell out. Axis. Axis. Different. AXES is different. AXIS is different. So axis contains axis. Axis is nothing but a figure. In that, two axes will be there. One is called x-axis, y-axis. Here, axis 0 represents row. నేను చెప్పేది వినాలి మీరు. Here, axis will change from point to point. I said in the last time only. You have to listen me carefully. I'm appreciating you are remembering previous things. Nice. But follow me. Axis 0 here represents row. In which case? Append case, insert case, delete case. Actually, they would have been, they must give standard mechanism. They are changing it. We cannot question them. They said this is the policy you need to follow. They said like this. We need to go for it. Let us go for appending the data. So carefully follow me, students. There I am writing np dot append of, I am writing a comma append means what? Row I am going to take. There I am going to take it 15 comma 25. 15 comma 25. I am going to write it. Axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. So axis is equal to 0. I am going to write it. Axis is equal to 0. Are you following? I have to write in the form of what? Inner list. Why, sir? Everything is called what? One inner list in the outer list. Are you following me? Axis is equal to 0 represents what here? Row. Here, axis is equal to 0 represents what? Come on. Row. So row mentioned. Are you following me? Right. Now I want to go for what? One more thing. Okay, column ku tondar లేదు కానీ ఇది నేర్చుకోండి first. So coming to this point once again, here I am going to take it, comma 60, 70, 80, 90. Shape of what here? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. This is my data. Now I want to add one more type of row. Tell me. A dot np dot append of a comma inner list I will go for 11 comma 22 comma 33 I said. Comma what I said? Axis is equal to 0 I said. Axis is equal to 0 I said. Is it 11, 22, 33 added or not? Yes. This is called what type of operation? Appending the row to the ND. That is a 2D. Are you following me now? Yes. Now I will go to what next? Still, if I print A, what is happening? It is printing original data only. If I want to make it permanent, what should I do? I already said to you. A is equal to, I need to say, print of what here? A. You are going to get the data like this. Clear or not clear? Clear. Now I want to go for, now I want to go for column. Shall I go to the column? Yes. Let us go to the column here. How to add the column here? So here axis 0 represents what? Row. Now I'm going to enter into the column. Columns means how many? How many values I require for one column? Come on. 4. Good. So I'm going to write it np dot append of a comma a comma. Be careful. Be careful. Now I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it 15. Next I'm going to write it 25, 15, comma. Next I'm going to write it 15. See how I'm going to write it 25. And next I'm going to write it 25, comma, 35, comma. Next I'm going to write it, comma, 45. I'm writing like this. I'm writing like this. Axis is equal to what? 1. So here you see students 15, 25, 35, 45. That is called what? Appending columns. Appending columns. Clear? So when you go to an interview point of view, compulsory questions these are. You take any data science students who is learning, stop them and ask these questions. Totally out of order. When you face any kind of interview rounds, gunshot questions these are all called. Are you following me now? Now, last and final, I'm asking, add one more kind of course, when I go to print this A here, it is going to contain original data only. In order to make it permanent, I need to write it what here? A is equal to. Here, axis is equal to 1 represents what? Man. Yes. So here I will write it. Axis is equal to 1 says what? Columns. Represents column here. I'm writing here. Represents column here. Dear students, follow me. Print of A. Print of A. Got the data. Understood, guys? Now, I want to add one more value to this. One more row I want to do. Come on. One more row. A is equal to np dot append of A comma and the values I will take it comma something like I'm taking 99 comma 88 comma 77 comma 66 I'm going to take it. Following me? What is this now? And that too it is called inner list. Okay. Comma, what is this now? Axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Print of A, it is going to be like this. Clear? Right. Online students. Is it clear? Quick. All of you. So here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Axis is equal to 0 says what here? It is done like this. No confusion about it. Axis is equal to 0 and all those things. Something is coming. So here it is going to be something. Pranay Deep, sir, you please make A is equal to 1, sir. Defining statement here, A is equal to 0 represents columns. So I think he joined late, very late to the class. He joined late to the class. So 0 says what? Earlier he joined late. Pranay Deep joined late. Already I confirmed here. Already he joined late, very late to the class. That's why this problem is for that guy. He's saying that, sir, you please make A is equal to 1, sir, for defining statement. Here A0 represents what? Columns he's saying. He joined late. Already I confirmed, na? So already I confirmed it. Pranay Deep, I already come to the point of it. You said you forget to edit. Where it is, ma? Is it anywhere else? Forget to edit. Where is it? Access. Okay, here is saying, okay, good. So here he is saying, good. That is means okay. Anywhere else, zero. Okay, Pranay. So done. If this is the case, okay, done. So I thought that you joined late and getting. Are you following me? Now I will move to the one more type of column I want to add. Column I am going to add. Can you tell me the column now? Yes. Tell me quickly now. A is equal to np dot append of. I'll remove this data. Come on. Now add all 11s. All 11s you added. Come on. Right? 11. Again one more 11. How many 11s? Ma? Yes. 11 like this I said. Okay. What is this now? Axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. So it is going to be 11, 11, 11 like this is done. Easy or difficult? Easy. Dead easy. Right. So now this is how we appended the data here. Now I will move to the further. One more function is called what here? Insert. Insert I am going to enter. So let us move to the insert function here. Very simple students. Now I am going to inserting the data. Inserting the data. Inserting the data in ND array object. In ND array object I am going to insert by using which function? Insert of. Insert of. Tell me. Import NUMPY as NP. NUMPY as NP. A is equal to NP dot array of. I'm taking some values here, students. 10, 20, 30, 40. Let it be 50, 40. I will take it. Like this, I'm taking. Dot what? Okay. That's fine. Print of what here? Content of what here? Content of A. So there I'm writing print of A. So I'm getting the data like this. Getting the data like this. Now I'm going to take it. I already entered this data 2 by 2, 3 by 3, all these things. I took the data in 3 by 3. Later I added something. Who is this? Algudi Venu. So here I wrote it already 3 by 3 and already I extended this matrix 4 by 4. I go on adding it. We have to go for even 3 by 3 means 3 rows must be there, 3 columns must be there. Already that fundamentals are already completed. So coming to the point of it, other kind of thing, you must read the notes, my dear students. So you must read that and you need to take care about it. Go to the place. Next, I want to insert the data called 15 here. How do you go for it? At which place I want to insert here? 20th place or 30th place I want to insert. Come on. NP dot insert of a comma. I must specify the index. Index 1 comma 1 comma and the corresponding value what you want to insert. 15. 15. So if I say that it is in the first place, 15 is inserted, other values will be moving forward. When I print my original value A itself again, it is printing original data only. In order to modify the data permanently, as I said to you, A is equal to I need to take care. The print of what? A. So you got that data like this. Clear? Right. I want to insert one more value 30 place. I want to add something like a 22. Come on, I forget how to do it now. A is equal to np dot insert of a comma a comma. So you can write -1 also 0. Any index you can use it. I already said 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll write a 3 comma. I'm writing the value called 22. 22. So I'll write it print of a here. Now I got the data called 22. How many elements I got it here? Like this. 6 elements. Understanding? So I'm inserting how many elements at a time? One element. Now I want to insert, be careful, in, I want to insert two elements. Be careful, ma. NP dot insert of a comma, I'm writing 2 comma 2 comma, I'm writing here 2 something like 22 comma, I will write something like 12 comma and then 13, I'm trying to write it. I'm trying to write something like this. Are you following me? The second index, what I'm trying to write, 0, 1, 2. In 20th place, 12 and 13 is added. And the rest of the elements will move forward direction or not? If I take print of A, it is printing the elements as it is. These kind of operations on other languages are not at all permitted. It is programmable. It is very much program flow is required. That's complicated. That's why these high-end operations can be learned very easily for you. So that is one position. At one index, you can add more number of elements. I hope you are following me. Now, I want to go for what? Keeping this A value inside of A itself. A is equal to, you are writing that. Print of what? A. And you try to follow. This is my elements. Clear up? Well, students, very, very important point I am saying. At first place, at first place, at this place, in this index, first place, I want to add the element called 25. This is second, third, fourth place. In the fourth index, I want to add 35. 1 comma 4 at first index 25. At fourth index 35, I want to add. That is nothing but what? At a different indices, I am trying to place different values. Are you following me? So how to write it? Earlier, one position, one value. One position, two values. Here, different positions or different values I'm passing. It's really great. So how do you do it now? How do you do it now? Let us start here, students. Tell me, NP dot insert of a comma, you must specify something like that. What I'm writing now? 1 comma 4 comma. I need to write it. The value called what? 25 comma 35. Whatever it is. Are you following me? Right. So first index, what is the value? In the first index, what is the value placing? Fourth index, what is the value placing? So after the result is coming, at one index 25 is there, at fourth index 35 is there. In the existing places, elements will be moving in other direction. Are you following me now? At 0, 1, is this one index 25 is there or not? 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the element is coming? 35. That means earlier it was the value position. After inserting 25, definitely it will be moving forward or not? See, this fourth is called what? 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth. That is nothing but before 20 only 35 was there. But when the element is newly adding, that 4 will become fifth or not? Come on, understand the logic there. Yes, this is available before 20 only. But that recently added element index is becoming 5. Why newly one element is added or not? I hope that that point is clear. Clear or not clear? Yes. Are you catching my point? Yes. Now I want to add the element in the first and last positions. First and last positions in the sense 40 place, I want to add one element. So this place, I will keep this as when I print the old value A itself, it is original values only printing. If I want to go for this kind of thing, I must go for writing like this. I hope you are following now like this. Now I want to write it last and final. I'm going to write it here. A is equal to, what is this now? 0. And next is what? Minus 1. I will try to write it 5 comma 55. 5 comma 55 I am going to write it. 5 comma 55 I am writing. Print of what? A. So it is available. This is available at minus 1. Moving in forward direction 55. If you want to add the 55 in the last, go for append function. Are you following me? Insert, append, anything you can do like this. Easy or difficult? Dead easy. So you are not only inserting one element, you are inserting more than one element at one position. You are inserting random indices, values also you are inserting. There is also one more speciality. Clear? Well, online students, come to the further. This is about inserting. Next, I'm going to inserting in where 2D. 2D I am going to take it. Shall I go for that? Yes. So I'll go to the last student. Last student. Are you following me? Are you following what I'm saying? What operation is going on? Stand up. You're not visible for me properly. What operation I'm saying? Append. Okay. Come here. VIP. Today you are VIP. What operation is going on? Insert. VIP. You are VIP. VIP దగ్గర చూడండి బుక్ లేదు ఏం లేదు. How he is walking, you see. Sit here. Here. VIP. Fan. VIP. CM. PM. Keep your phone. Keep your phone with. Keep your phone with you. Keep it in the packet. No notes. Nothing is there. No notes. Nothing is there. Now I will move to the further. See, students, no notes. Nothing is there. He is coming and walking also very slowly. Well, పోదమా లేదా పోతే ఏమవుతుంది పోకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది ఈజ్ వాకింగ్. Your notes very good. Where SBI or Union Bank? Where you deposited? Because Python notes is very important. Where you deposited? Bank of Maharashtra. Come, bring the notes, students. All of them are having notes, and he is having. You see his notes. Bring once. Bring once. Bring the pad also. How he is sincere. This type of boys I want. See, bringing pad also. Notes. This is sincerity. Do you have pad, boys? మీకు అసలు మీరు గర్ల్స్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ప్యాడ్? మీ దగ్గర ప్యాడ్ కూడా ఉండదు నాకు తెలుసు, కానీ అడగట్లేదు మిమ్మల్ని. వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్. అలా ఉండాలి సిన్సియర్ గా. సో ఓకే, స్టార్ట్. లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ హియర్. సో సందీప్ కుమార్, రైట్. How I am sitting? Sit like that. Sit properly. Like this. Okay. Let it be. You take your own way. So, Athar is absent today. Anyway, I am succeeded. That student is absent. Maybe he is there. So, okay. Harshit Malviya. Sir, iPad or notepad? iPad or notepad? No, it is an exam pad. Athar. So, no. Athar, he stopped doing that. He stopped doing that because I succeeded in that part. Because he is keeping a mask and coming to the class. So today is absent. He is also very good boy. He is also very good boy. All boys are very good. But outside I did not see how you are. Outside also good, I hope so. Good only, na? Okay. Come to the point. Now I will go to next one, inserting into the another one. I am going to go for it. So go to the next one. Take an array. A is equal to np dot array of 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to write it. Reshape of 2, 2. 2, 2 I'm going to take it. Print of content of A. Content of A. Now I'm writing here print of A. So this is my data. Now I want to insert it. Can I insert it? Yes. So I will take it here. ఇంకొకటి extend చేస్తాను. 60, 70. How many elements? 6. 3 comma 2. Okay now? Right. Now I want to go for insert. Where append was inserted where? Last. Now I want to insert one value at this place. At this place. 0th row, first row, second row. 0th column, first column. Now I want to insert here. Shall I insert here? Yes. Insert here. Come on. A dot np dot insert of insert of a comma a comma 1 comma 1 comma. I am writing there 11 comma 22 11 comma 22 comma axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Is it added or not? Yes. At which position? 0th first row it is added. This is actually first one, but here it is added. That existing one is moving forward or not? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I want to go for adding in columns. Shall I go for columns? Right. Can you tell me in the columns? And if I print that A here, if I print that A here, it is going to be like this only. To make it permanent changes, I go for what? Like this. Print of what, ma? A. Like this I have. Are you following me? Good. Now I want to add one column, student. In this place, I want to add one column. 0th column, first column. I want to add the data. Can I? Tell me. Come on, quick. I will take as it is. Okay. I will remove that. Now start freshly. 1 comma, 1 comma, 1 comma. I will write it. 20. I want to add 33, 33, 33, 33. How many 33s I will add? Okay, good. 33. Now I am going to take 33. Now I am going to take 33. Now I am going to take 33. Are you following me? Ma? Come on, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 represents what? In this case, it is column. That's why you have to be careful about axis. Okay, now? In a statistical operation, axis is equal to 0 is what? Column. Axis is 1. This axis is equal to 1 here. Axis is 0 here. Yes. So try to follow me. Is it added? In this case, it is added so many times. So here I will go for something gone. So here I will get it, this data. So let me get it. Something went wrong. Here I will go to this place. Here like that. Now I will go to adding here. So here I will add. I'll go to this place. I'll say how many times it was happening so many times. So I will write it. Here I will say 33, 33, 33, 33, 33. Axis is equal to what here? 1. 3 times. Huh? Okay. 3 times. So here closing parenthesis. Okay. So I'll go to that. It is okay. 1 minute more. Here it is added. Are you following me? Right. So here get a conclusion that up to here you go for it. And once again you build it. This you try to remove. This is my data, right? Now add row. Add the row. Already you have done the row or not? Add one row. Already one row is there. Add one column. What is the value I want? 80, 80, 85, 90 I want to add. Column. Tell me. Add column. Add the column value. Insert the column value. Insert. Insert the column. Insert the column as what? Something like, let it be 80, 85, and what? 90. 90. As which row? As which column? First column. As which column? First column. Okay, tell me. NP dot insert of A comma 1 comma inner list 80, 85, 90, 90. This like this. Comma axis is equal to 1, 1. Okay. So got it. Is it added or not? So if you print that original thing, it will print as what? Original only. So to make it permanent, I will go for like this. So here I will write it A is equal to print of what, guys? A. Are you getting or not? Now add one more column you add. At which place I want to add? 0th location I want to add. 0th location. 0th location means this place. In this place I will add something. What I will add? 100, 200, 300. Three values only. 100, 200, 300. At which location? 0th column. Tell me. Don't see on the top of it. Come on. A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma 0 comma inner list 100 comma 200 comma 300. Axis is equal to, very good. Print of what here? A. So it is done. Now add one row. Add the row. Add the row as what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 13 and 14. Add one row. 11, 12, 13, 14. Add one row. 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on, how do I add it? A is equal to NP dot insert of A comma where okay, of course, I decided to go for ఇక్కడ insert చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? 0, 1, 2. At this place I want to insert. Can I insert? 1 comma I will go for that data. I'll go for this data. So I'll go for this data. Okay. What is this now? Axis is equal to 0. Okay. Print of what now? Yeah. So added or not? Yes. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Dead easy. Now I will add this. We are adding. We are succeeded. Now I want to add in this place. 0th place I want to add one row. 0th place 0, 1, 2, 3. 0th place I want to add one row. Second row I want to add one more row. 0th row I want to add one row. Second row I want to add one more row. It means 2 rows at a time I am adding. 2 rows at a time I am adding. Same thing. NP dot. Come on. Insert of A comma 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. And that too when I am adding 0, definitely the 2 will be coming in the third. And of course that is available before third row only. That is a before this 200 place only that is available. Comma. I will write it as what? Need to take the like this. How many elements? 4 elements I will take it. One more I will take it here. Are you following me? Yes. Come on, everybody need to tell. NP dot insert of A comma 0 comma 2 comma I will write it 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 comma I will take it as what 22 comma 22 comma 22 comma 22. Are you following me? Right. Come on. Axis is equal to, come on. Very good. So see that now. Are you getting me or not? Yes. Perfect. Clear or not clear? So 0 place is it added or not? In the second place, actually, that is going to move to the next. What is available there? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 means that is coming to third. Done or not? Yes. Very, very important. Clear? That means with insert, I am not only inserting one value, I am inserting more than one value in 1D. In 2D, one row I am inserting. Multiple rows also I am inserting. Okay now? Right. Go to next one. Appending also. Columns also. Columns. Ready to? Yes. Small matrix, you take it first. Small matrix, I will bring it. Here I will get it. Here I will get it. Here I will take it. Online students, are you comfortable students this syntax? Please respond, mom. All of you. Respond. This is clear. So get this data. If you want to make it permanent, you will write A is equal to. That part you already taken care. So this is my data, students. What is this now? 2 comma 3 you take it. 2 comma 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. Now I will add 0th place what I want. 0th place, 0th column, first column, second column. 0th place I want to add one value. Next I want to go for what? Second column also I want to add one value. Which value I am adding here? I want to take it as called what? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2 I want. Next I want to go for what? 5, 5 I want. 5, 5 I want. What this is called? Come on. Axis. I need to take it as what? Axis. So please be careful. Now I'm going to write it. NP dot insert of A comma 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. Come on. Values I will take it. What is the value? 1 comma 2 and 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5. What I should write it? Axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. Are you following me or not? Yes. Perfectly done. Understood? Yes. Now tell me I want to add one more row. One more row I want to add. Where? Last I want to add. Last. Append. I need to go for what? Append. If I want to add an element here, if I want to add the row here, I must write as something like this. First you keep it permanent change, you do it. Last example. Already you understood this. Print of what here? A. So you got the data like this. What happens? Got the data. Now you need to go for adding one row newly. Come on, fast. NP dot insert of A comma 1 students 1 1 comma I will mention the value. What is that now? Something like a 60, 60, 70, 80, 90. Antena? 4 values. What is this axis is equal to? 0. 5 values. Huh? Okay. Something like 50 antaring. 50. 50. Insufficient value should not be passing. Print of what here? A. So got the data. But yes, this is called what? Inserting. So if somebody asks you what do you mean by insert, you have to start explaining to the interviewer from where? List onwards, ND array onwards, ND array 1D, ND array with one element inserting, ND array multi elements inserting, ND array with 2D, ND array with a single row, ND array with multiple rows. These many, if you say, it's really good or not? Yes. Now I want to move to the another kind of thing called delete. Shall I? Now I will go to the delete. Delete operation I'm going to enter. So this insert is clear. This insert operation is clear. This documentation is very, very important, students. Now I'm going to talk about the delete. So go to the deleting the value, deleting the value or values from where? ND array. From ND array object I'm going to delete. There I'm going to write it. Take this data, take this data as it is. Take this data as it is. Here I will write it, students. No shape, no reshaping, normal only. Print of A, I will write it. This is my data. Now I want to remove the element called 20. Element called 20. Come on. NP dot delete of A comma 1 I will write it. A comma 1. What is the element removed? What is this 1 indicates? Index. Index. Element that delete takes what? Index. Done. It is deleted. Element, this is deleted. If I print the value called A once again, original elements only printed. If I want to make it delete permanently, I have to write it as what? A is equal to print of what I am writing? A. This is the data. Are you following me? I want to delete the last one, last element. I want to delete. How do I do it? A is equal to delete of what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So it is removed. Following? Yes. Now I want to go for deleting. You bring that elements once again back. You bring that elements once again back. Now I want to delete. Now I want to delete. Multiple values I want to delete. Which values I want to delete? 10 I want to delete. 60, 60 I want to delete. 70 I want to delete. Come on. NP dot delete of A comma list of 0 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. Beautiful. So got it. Got gone. Are you following me? Done. Here gone. Are you following me? This is done. So this element and these two elements gone. I want to remove that, delete that. Original data, it is available as it is like this. I want to remove 40, 60. How do you remove? NP dot delete of A comma. I will take it minus 3 comma. Yes. Minus 3 comma minus 2. Gone. Are you following me? Yes. So to make it permanent, if I make it permanent, you already know, and you know permanently if you want to delete it. So it is going to be A is equal to print of what? A. Print of A. Students. Print of A. Keyboard is not working. So here. So this is the one I'm writing it. Print of A I'm writing. So got it. Bracket. So print of A. Extra bracket. So got it. Are you following me now? Right. This is called a deleting what array? 1D array. Deleting 1D array. So coming to the point back to 1D array deleted. Now I'll move to the further. Now I'll move to the further. So next I'm going to enter into this place. Here. How many elements I'm having? 6 elements I'm having. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. So 3 comma 2 or 3 comma. So 3 comma 2 I will take it first. So there I will take like this. Now I want to delete 30, 40 I want to delete. 30, 40 I want to delete. 30, 40 is called what? Row. Row. Start a. Can you tell me now? Online students? Come on. Come on. NP dot delete of A comma 1 comma axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Because when you come to one axis matters a lot. Axis, what is the default value of axis? None. Default value of axis is none. Default value of axis is equal to none means which type of D? 1D. Axis is none means what is the matrix? 1D. So now I will execute. One or not? Yes. Removed and then getting. Print of what? A. So ఒక స్టూడెంట్ వినట్లే బిత్ర బిత్ర చూపులు చూస్తున్నాడు. సో కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్ హియర్ 10, 20, 60, 70 print of A original data. Now I will ask that student a question. Because if you don't listen now, ఎందుకో నాకు అలా పిక్ ఉంటుంది మనసు. ఈజ్ నాట్ లిజనింగ్, ఈజ్ లూజింగ్ ఈజ్ కమిట్మెంట్ అని. స్టాండ్ అప్. నువ్వే. Now I will ask you. Now I want to delete. Now I want to delete 10, 20 I want to delete. Tell me. Permanent change also I want to make it. All of you silence. Tell me quickly. Immediately I want to do the changes also. Tell me statement. A, A, NP. Okay. Dot. Okay, good. Delete. Open bracket. Huh? Very good. Zero. Silence. Access. 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 Hmm? Access. MS access. AXIS. AXCS. AXIS. Good. Next. Is equal to. చాట్ బాక్స్ చూస్తున్నావు నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది చూసావు ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్ స్టాటిస్టికల్ ఆపరేషన్ యాక్సెస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ కాలమ్సా కాలమ్సా ఆలోచించు పక్కా వెరీ గుడ్ గుడ్ బాయ్ సిట్ డౌన్ సో యాక్సెస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ హియర్ జీరో జీరో యాక్సెస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి మేడ్ as permanent change right or not so this is the data gone if I want to make it permanent I need to write what a is equal to and print off what a so got it are you following me yes good boy listening now I will go to one more data I will take it one more value I will take it here okay let it be from this I want to remove this row I want to remove how do you remove I forget np dot delete of a comma 1 comma axis is equal to 0 1 now 0 represents what here row so here gone are you following me yes I want to remove 40 I want to remove 40 can you remove 40 can you remove 40 can you remove 40 no you cannot remove difficult తీసుకోవడానికి అంతా తీసుకోవడం చాలా కష్టం అసలు you cannot remove correct okay no problem now I will remove remove a is equal to np dot delete of my wireless keyboard is not working student a comma -1 who is saying -1 మీరు బ్యాగ్ తీసుకొని ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతే బాగుంటుంది ఇది ఏ డైమెన్షన్ మా మళ్ళీ నేను ఏమన్నా అంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ ఏడుస్తారు 2 డైమెన్షన్ -1 ఉంటుందమ్మా -1 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది అది రో అవుతుంది అది లాస్ట్ రో దట్ ఎంటైర్ రో విల్ గో నేను 2011లో ఒక అమ్మాయిని ఏడిపించాను బాగా ఆ 2011 నుంచి నేను అసలు డౌట్స్ గర్ల్స్ ని క్వశ్చన్ అడగడం మానేసా 2011 అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 14 years బ్యాక్ ఆ అమ్మాయి కూడా ఎవరు ఒక పొలిటీషియన్ వల్ల రిలేటివ్ ఆఫ్టర్ షీ క్రై షీ బ్రాట్ ఎ గ్యాంగ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ why I made her that why made her make her to cry because she did something wrong what wrong that is not to disclose nothing is there I can tell so at the end of the class I'll tell so Ola Manoj is asking what happened sir right so what happened is 2011 full Java classes 1000 students అప్పుడు ఒక if I leave the class total Amirpet jam for 15 minutes total road close so that time what happens is when that girl came and that girl came she I don't know politicians relatives maybe CM relatives maybe somebody maybe I don't know teacher is teacher only correct whether teacher is low or politician is very high because in teacher place there is a prestigious job dedicated without any corruption When sir will execute perfectly, you will get the answer. Otherwise, error will come. Where is the question of corruption there? Politician, you know, I need not to tell. That girl came and she sat that time. That time, laptop means it is almost 2 lakhs, something like that. Cost. She came and she sat. After that, what happens is that pillar only. That pillar backside only she sat. That time I used to walk here and there and I used to tell. That is fourth class or fifth class of Java demo. And I'm going to explain. She is doing something in the class. What is that? She opened something. She opened something. Actually, this is our bag. Looking like that bag is like that. I thought that it is a laptop bag. I thought positively. I'm always thinking positively about my students. She opened that bag. She opened that bag like this. It was opened. It. This is opened here, and she took out something from the bag. And she's. This is what I thought that it is a laptop. What I'm explaining is something Java concepts I'm explaining. She is doing something. I thought that it is a laptop. It is not a laptop. She opened it. It is called a mirror. Mirror it is. Mirror. ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ చేసే బ్యాగ్ మీకు తెలుసు కదమ్మా. ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ చేసే మిర్రర్ ఉంటుంది దాంట్లో. నేను కూడా చూసాను చాలా మంది. వెన్ ఐ గో టు సమ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ బిఫోర్ లేడీస్ go to that dais, they will open the bag and they used to see what is that. And because they want to. So she opened it. Mirror. I don't know. It is a laptop, I thought. And after that, she took out something from the bag. This is called that is called a Lakme powder. And she opened it. Lakme powder is very small. She took it, keeping like keeping like that. And backside girls are observing what she is doing. Like everybody is watching. Nearby people are watching. So finally, I got doubt completely. Still positively thinking. The thing that is taken and doing like this, I got it complete doubt. Got very much irritation. That time, complete discipline means discipline. Never compromise in that. Ultimate. Move like this, out. 1,000 students controlling means it is not a point. Even in YouTube also, that videos are so many that 1,000 students unable to control. So that time what happened? I said, stand up. What are you doing? Madam, she said very proudly. What I'm doing, nothing. I'm just doing something, she said. Openly, she said. Okay. Hey, this is not the way. This is not the, I said directly. Beauty parallel. Please get out, I said. Get out means he felt wrong. Because politicians means along with security, most of the people will be there. I don't know, she's a politician relative. She said, I never go, I'm paying fees. That fees paying for subject. Fees is not paying for Lakme powder attaching like. So finally, she went and she immediately 9 o'clock, 9 to 11. 11 o'clock she went, she crying, went out and she brought a gang of people. 4 or 5 members came, all politicians. Like that. KVR sir is very lean like you, right? So they came around 4 or 5 members. Outside there are 6 more members are standing, I think. So what they will do? They will kidnap me. That's all. Other than that, what they will do? 2 days rest I can take it. So after that, one person came and he has seen the class. Oh, this many students are there. Actually, why you did like that? They only scolded her. But actually, after the class, when I went to my cabin, they came to my cabin. Uh, they know about my classes. They said one person came. Why you said to my see? Do you know who is she? I said I don't know. I said I also will not bother about it. I don't know. I said because I don't know that I said. Otherwise, if you say I'm a CM son or CM daughter, you have separate treatment, separate place. We don't know. That's why. We are all normal people. We are all having normal discussion in the class, affectionate discussion. I don't know her. So maybe high five. Don't know. So you need to know all of them. So I said, she doesn't have ID card also, I said. So, no, no, it is not like that. Is a leader, minister, relative. I don't know, I said. You need to tell sorry, so I never say, I said. I never say. I never say. Stop taking classes. I never say, I said. No, no, why don't you say like that? So I said, it is not there in my dictionary, I said. Finally, somebody came. After 1 hour, somebody came. They said, sir, this is happening. This is our something, something. Please tell to, sorry. I never say, I said. Next day also came. I said, she came next day. I said, not allowed, I said. Directly to her only. Not allowed. Again, they came. Again, they are asking, allow. I never allow, I said. Tell sorry to me, I said. They asked me for genuine reason. They asked like that. I said, I'm not allowed. I don't want to allow. Other Java classes are there. Go there, I said. No, she will come here only, she said. Not allowed here. You need to say sorry for me. So finally, MD and all, not those people, said to me like that only. Sorry, they said. Allowed. Strictly said to those people only. They don't know what she said. She did not say the reason actually. I only said the reason. Then those people realized that that is wrong. Actually, they don't know. Then they realized. I said that type of activity is not there in my class. Java makeup only I will give. No other makeups. That ends the matter. And slowly, she also came into the line only. Next door, no makeup kit, nothing either. Normally, she is coming. That time onwards, why unnecessarily playing with the sensitive matters of the girls? That's why I don't ask questions to the girls. That is the story behind why I don't ask questions to the girls. Understand, ma? అర్థమైందా? రైట్. ఫైన్. అందుకని నేను గర్ల్స్ అండ్ వాళ్ళంటే భయం ఫస్ట్. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఒక రెస్పెక్ట్. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు, ఏడుస్తారు వాళ్ళు. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దే విల్ క్రై. అది నాకు మంచిగా అనిపించదు. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ మీ. దట్స్ వై ఐ టెల్ దెమ్ కంబైన్ టుగెదర్ ఐ విల్ టెల్, బట్ పిన్ పాయింటింగ్ ఐ నెవర్ సే. దట్ ఈస్ మై బాయ్స్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఫైరింగ్. If you bring gang, I also will have gang of people. Other batch students are my gang. What you will do? Correct or not? Yes. So that's why students. So, and she used to ask doubts also sometimes. Beginning, I did not say doubts. Who will bring? I want to see. Later, I answered it. I remembered previous doubts also. I answered those doubts also. She also will have very. She said last but one class. She said, "Sir, it's my bad by doing that activity. Don't mind, sir." She said, "No problem." I said, and she attended advance or hibernate, and she asked me, "Sir, can you teach Oracle also?" Oracle, MongoDB, INA, Lesmo. So I said, so finally she done. Later, where she, I don't know, that was the matter. In where? 2011. How many years? 14 years back. Okay, students, come. This is done. What is this dimension? Right. So, right. Huh? Athar, come. Now I will move to the further. Hmm. Come on. No, don't try to read with the charts. Start. I want to remove what? 40. If we say -1, as girl said, wrong answer now. That is called a row only. Zeroth row and then minus is going to be the same. So, come on, now what to do now? A is equal to NP dot delete of A comma A comma 40. I want to remove, I said. 40. 40 means what? Column. 40 means what? Column. 40. Come on. 1 comma axis is equal to, come on, 1. So print of what? A. So what is gone? 40. Are you following me? 40 gone. Clear or not clear? Because dimension is important there. Dimension is important. Okay. Now I am going to get it. This is what was removed. What was removed? Rows was removed and then columns also removed or not? Last and final, I will take the column data. Column data, I will take it. So simple. Now I'm going to take it. 2 comma what? 3. 2 comma 3 I'm taking. Tell me, I want to remove second column value quickly. Quickly. A is equal to np dot delete of a comma 1 comma axis is equal to 1. Beautiful. Print of what here? A. Gone. Are you following me? Right. Now I want to remove first column. First column. First column means 0th. 1. Minus 1. And what is this? Minus 2. Can I remove with the negative? With what is that I need to say? Minus 2. Tell me. A is equal to np dot ma delete of a comma minus 2 axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. Okay. Print of what? A. A. NUMPY delete delete. Delete. Okay. Gone. Gone or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I want to delete 70. I want to delete 70. What is 70? Row. How do you know it is a row? How do you know it is a row? Dimension. What is the dim? Print A dot end dim. Who said 0? Very good. Who said 0? Very good. Who is that? You said 0? Who said 0? Correct answer. Correct. Who is that? Now తెలిసి ఎవరు చెప్పింది? నాకు తెలిసిపోయింది అది విన్నాడు వెనక. ఓకే. ఎస్ ఐ నో. ఎస్. స్టాండ్ అప్. ఇంకెవరు? నువ్వే చెప్పింది కదా? ఓకే. వెరీ గుడ్. One. Now I'll say dim. What is the dim here? 2. When dim means 2 means what? Row and what? Column. Remove the 70. Tell me. A is equal to np dot delete of a comma minus 1 comma minus 1 can I give? Axis is equal to what? 0. What is this? What is this actually? 0. Row minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. What is this? Axis 0. Axis 0. You following me? Yes, I will do it because this keyboard is not working. Wireless keyboard. So delete. Delete. Axis is equal to this one. Print of what you know? A. So like this. Done or not? Yes. Did you understand? So insert, delete, all those operations are done. Followed? Now, can I ask one beautiful question? Will you answer it? Append over, insert over, delete over. Now, any doubt? No doubt. Now my doubt is replacement of row. Replacement of row. Beautiful. So I'm going to take it, online students. Replacement of row. Replacement of row value. Row values with new row values. With new row values. If you answer it now, you are really good student. So let us take the row here. I'm taking, here I'm taking like that. So okay, 2 rows like this. I want to replace the first row with 15, 25, 35. Want to replace first row values with 0th row values with 15, 25 or 100, 200, 300. Want to replace row values with new row values. Want to replace. There is no function available to replace. How do you replace the values? Very, very important. So my sir already said slicing, slicing. So let us already in our previous sessions of the list time, replacing the data with a single element you can replace. More than one element you can replace, but we are applying that concept in where? 2D. Already 1D is a dead easy. A of 0 is equal to value means it is replacing. First of all, try to get the column first. First, try to get the row value once. How do you get it? 0 colon 1 colon I am writing. That will give you the row. That will give you the row or not. Yes, that I want to replace. How do you replace? Print of A. Print of A. This is the data. Now you replace with this is equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300. Now see that what is happening? Print of A. Print of A is replaced. So beautiful. Are you following me? Good. Now I want to replace. Now I want to replace this value. This value with what? 15 and 16. This is a column. I want to replace with 15 and 16. 15 and 16 I want to replace. First you try to get this data. How to get this data? Replacing, replacing what values? The column values. Replacing the column values. Come on, ma. A of all rows means colon, 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2 will give you that values. I want to replace. Come on. How do you replace? That is a very important. A of that entire data you take it. This entire data you take it. How do you write it? Comma. What is this? 15 comma 16 you take it. So I will write it here. I will write it here. Like this I am writing. Like this I am writing. Try to write like this. Unmatching. Here I am writing like this. Here 15 comma 6. 15 comma 6. Okay. Print of what? A. Got it. Following me? Now last one. One you replace it with what? 20, 20, 20, 30. Last column. Any confusion? I'm trying to write once again. Get this column, last one. Way of, come on, colon, comma, come on, 2 colon, 2 colon, 3. 2 colon 3 or 2 colon. You can write it. No problem. After that, you do what is equal to. నేను ఎందుకు ఇలా రాశానంటే you see already this bracket you see. Are you seeing? And these are separate or not? Same way I need to write it. Same way I need to write it. What is the value? 20. That is one value. Comma what? 30. Another value like this. See that print of what? A. Got the data. 20, 30. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Easy. So simple. Now I want to anything last and final. I want to replace 4 6 30 with 40 50 60. 40 50 60. Quick. Come on. A of, come on. 1 colon comma colon colon. Just colon. This will give you what? Last value. After locating that, after locating that is equal to I will write it 20, 30, 40. మీకు ఏం కావాలంటే అది 50, 60, 70. So print of what ma? A. So got it. Got it up? Yes. I want to replace only 1520. Only 1520 with 1890. Only 1520 with 1890. A of 0 colon 1 అంటే 0th row columns 1 colon it will give you what? 1520. After that you need to, after that I need to come on here. What is the value I said? Come on. 80 and 90. 80 and 90. Print of what? A. So got it. So beautiful. Got it. Yes. Now 100. 100 I want to replace with what? 40. 100 I want to replace with what? 40. Now tell me. A of 0, comma 0. Ante 0, comma 0. Index is equal to A of 0, comma 0 is equal to what? 40. 40. Done. Print of what? A. So done. Getting or not? Yes. Now I'm asking, I want to get the values which are more than 60. Get the elements which are more than 60. These are all powerful questions. Get the values which are more than 60. These are all examples I said already. Come on. Get the values which are more than 60. A of A greater than 60. A greater than 60. A of greater than 60. Simple. Already I said Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to what? ND array. Already explained. Already explained now. Then why extract is there? Where is there? Already those things explained. More number of things explained. Okay now. Yes. Like that, one need to go for applying that concept. A of NP dot NP dot where of I will write it A greater than 60. A greater than 60. I will write like this. I will write like this. So here where of I will write it with a condition. It's a condition. You got my values. Don't. Any way you can do it. Are you following me? Like that you need to do it. So this is comes under what operation? Append, insert, delete, replacing, extracting, whatever you like it. Okay now. This is about today's concept is this kind of data. Next class when I come back, I'll go for talking about append operation and linear algebra. I will tell you linear algebra operations. Linear algebra operations. X plus y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. X plus y plus z is equal to something. 2x plus 3y plus 4y is equal to something. 9x minus 2y plus 9z is equal to something. Find the values of x, y, z. Something extraordinary. So even after 1 month or 2 months or 1 year, if you listen YouTube, YTube, JetTube, you should feel always we must read KVR notes. Because you should not find anywhere this much content I want to tell. That is my dream actually. You have to utilize without missing. Understanding? Bring notes, okay? So feeling well or not? Feeling well now? Right, good. So now I will move to the further about notes. Somebody says that yesterday notes not uploaded something. Is it uploaded? Uploaded notes. So attending online class of yours, Mahesh MK. Uh, but I have to attend offline class. Can I? Okay, Mahesh, you come. Most welcome. You can come to the class. No problem. You can come to offline. No problem. Who is that? Shankaran. Shankarshan. Sir, yesterday class note. Please provide. Class note. Class note not there. Class notes is there. Note means only 1 point. Notes. I already available. Where is the notes available? In the beginning, it is available now. Actually, student is going in the last January 31st is over now. They are looking in the back side. మీకు నోట్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాల్సింది కూడా చెప్పాలి. Go to the place. Here I will go to it. Because even in yesterday, one student asked after the session. So, this was the notes. Actually, I used to, this is the notes. This is the Google Drive notes, especially for NUMPY and PANDAS, we are giving Google Drive. They are going directly in the last. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు 31st notes. Zip files are there. They are seeing here February notes is not there. Dates 1, 2, 3 means what it is on the top is available. February 1, yesterday 3, 3rd February. Yesterday. Uploaded or not? వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? లాస్ట్కి వెళ్తున్నారు. జనవరి ఉంది ఇక్కడే. చూద్దామని లేదు కనీసం ఎక్కడ వాట్ ఇస్ ద notes 1, 2. On the date wise, I am going to upload. Following? So please have some look at, have some patience. Okay, student, Sankarshan something student. So please take care and then do this. So, Soyam Prakash, sir, want your Python notes, please. Already Python notes uploaded. Soyam Prakash, uploaded on January 3rd only. See, zip 1, zip 2. Already uploaded or not? So again asking means I have to go to, I have to tell to take my notes in Blinkit and he will deliver it. Huh? Like that I need to. Already I uploaded now, students. Right. Take care, students. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. Take care. So, Karthik, want your Django notes also. Okay. Online students. పేపర్లో రాసుకోకండి సార్. It in the paper so that I can clarify. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే రేపు పేపర్లు రాసుకొని రండి. నేను చెప్పేదాన్ని డౌటా రేపు తీసుకురండి నేను చూపిస్తాను. Online students, any doubts you have? Any doubts, students? So no doubts, huh? Okay, students, take care. Don't miss the next class.